Good morning. August 19th, 2025. As you can see, Aaron has the water pretty much churning out there. Look, I wanted to sleep a little bit longer, but sometimes you just gotta power through, right? So, what's on the agenda for today? Understanding, complications, yearnings, pretending to be something that we're not. Or is it just a day to listen to the waves roll in? What part do you like the best? You like hearing the crash or the aftermath of the crash? Do you like listening to the waves? Or do you like looking at the waves? So, in thinking about waves, how do you feel you are? Are you a crash? Are you an aftermath? Is it better when you're looked at or listened to? I truly hope today is a great day for you. I hope that today you understand what you have been wanting to understand. You achieve what you have been wanting to achieve. I hope that you know that you are the best you that you can be. And even if that's not true,